Hey guys, Simran here, and today I'd like to show you how to install any of the Blizzard's games. Well, not this one, because this is currently in beta. So anyways, step 1, log in or create a Battle.net account. If you want to log in, click on this button right here, or click on create account. I'm going to log in. Alright, so after you're logged in, you want to click on account, which is right here. And then you have all of these, right? But if you want to install them, for what I'm gonna do StarCraft 2. Go down here, select which one you're using, either Windows, Mac, yeah. So click on Windows if you're a Windows user, or click on Mac if you're a Mac user. And if you get this, I recommend saving on your setup. There you go. Then wait until it's done. But if you don't know where it is, and you're like, let's say you're using Internet Explorer, click on Open in Folder so then you know where it is, and then just wait until I tell you what the next step. For Mozilla Firefox, if it has that option or it's asking you where you want to save it on your desktop. But if it says Open Folder, do that and just wait. Okay, now it should be done. Alright. So now what you want to do is right here, what you want to do with your StarCraft 2 icon is you want to double click on it and launch it. But if it gives you an error that says unable to write files or something like that, you want to right click on it and click run as administrator. The reason why it tells you that you cannot do it in saying that unable to write files is because your firewall is blocking it from attempting to install the game. Well, that should be it for this video. If you have any problems or questions, just comment down below. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super Marauder, out.